Right, just a quick video on DFS. Kind of making DFS replication. So I'm just getting it so that I can see the bottom. I've already created an office under DFS report, DFS root. I've created a little office one and shared that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a replication. I'll just quickly show you how I shared it. I just right clicked properties, sharing, and then advanced sharing. And I shared shared the folder and added the permissions so that everyone has full control. You can also under there choose the caching as well, which we'll be looking at in a minute for branch cache. So what I'm just going to go on to, you can also see the shares down here. I'm going to just go on to the DFS management and quickly create a replication group. So I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to keep it as a multi-purpose one. I'm going to give it a name, which in this case is going to be Office. It's in my domain. I'm going to add the two servers I want to use, which are LBDNS and my LBAD. I'm just going to go next. And then you've got three topologies where you've got your hub and spoke, where it's kind of one going down to other members, where you've got your full mesh where it's just everyone to everyone, or you've got no topology where you'd have to just create one later. Right, so you can also choose how much bandwidth it uses, whether you just have it replicate on certain schedules. I'm just going to keep it as full bandwidth, and I'm going to make the primary member, this server, and I'm going to just do the folders to replicate. So I'm going to choose on my AD one, I'm going to choose my office folder, and I'm just going to press OK. Yep. So that one's going to replicate to there. I also want to go next and enable the synchronization, and I want to make it synchronize on that one. So now it's on enabled, and that is going to the right one. And then it gives you a summary, and then I'm just going to create it. And it's all created. Another thing, as it's not published in IT support at the moment, I can right click it and I can verify topology, but right, it can replicate, which is good. Normally I see publisher's namespace as well. At the moment I'm just going to there. So I'm just gone on to replicated folders and then share and publish replicated folder. So I'm going to create it as a namespace as well. So I'm just going to call it Office. Oh, I don't want that. I want it, so it's the parent folder, which is that one. I'm just going to share that. Okay, so I've got it shared up there. I've got it, so it's replicating there. And what I'm just going to quickly do is I'm going to create a new text document. Let's call it test file. And have this as a test file. And what I'm just going to quickly do is I'm just going to quickly go on to the other server, find where the share was, and in a few minutes this should replicate across. There are other bits which you can configure as well, but we'll go into those in another video. Okay, that's how you quickly make a replication.